everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Architect Moira and you should watch this before you take the Architecture Licensure Exam. So hi, if you're new to this channel, my name is Moira. I am an architect. I recently passed the board exams last June 2022 and now I am going to help all of you. I'm gonna share all the tips and advice that I could give kasi syempre gusto ko lahat tayo papasa. So for today's video, I am going to be sharing some last minute tips that you could do a few days before, during, and after the board exam para din kalmado ka and very prepared ka na rin physically, mentally, emotionally. Ganon. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Woo! First, here are things that you can do before the board exam. Itong number one, guys, napaka-importante nito. And it's to watch my previous videos. I mean, hindi naman sa pagsa-self-promote. I have posted other videos na tips din for the board exam, like what to bring, study tips, and I also documented my whole road to the board exam. So like, me studying in real time. So if you want to watch that for some motivation, I highly recommend it. Next tip, ito, totoo na to. It's to look up the venue of your board exam. And if you can, go there if you still have the time. Maglalabas naman sila ng listahan kung saan ka magbo-board exam. It's alphabetical actually. So, yung mga kalapit mo, naka-apelido na kaibigan mo, malamang same venue kayo. Pwedeng magkaibang classroom lang. So, look it up. And yun nga, if may time ka, puntahan mo na rin. Especially if magko-commute ka lang going to the venue. Para mas familiar ka na agad, hindi ka maligaw. Ganon. Next is to stop studying a day or two before the board exam. Importante to kasi kapag nag-info overload ka malapit sa board exam, kakabahan ka lang lalo. Actually, ito din yung isa sa mali na ginawa ko kasi 2 days before the board exam, sabi ko, okay, ito na yung last hurrah ko. Okay, ito na yung last day na aaral ako for the board exam. So, sabi ko, sige, isi-skim ko lahat ng notes ko, lahat ng reviewers ko, ganon. And girl, sobrang kinabahan ako pagkatapos ko mag-review kasi parang, oh my God, ang dami kailangan. So, alam mo yun, parang nag-create siya ng unnecessary panic for me. Pero, the day before the board exams, yun na talaga, hindi na talaga ako nag-aral as in, wala akong ginawang related to the board exam. So, yun, bumalik yung kalma ko kasi parang, sabi ko, kaya to, ready na to, ang dami ko nang inaral, ganyan. Siguro naman, papasa na ako ganito, gano'n. So, yeah. Importante talaga na huwag ka na mag-aral a few days before the board exam para rin hindi ka kabahan. Next is go to church, pray for you and your friends, mag-novena, mag-rosary, mag-mass, lahat gawin nyo. Ako, a week before the board exam, nag-mass kami sa Padre Pio. I also wrote a petition letter sa Santa Clara. Nagdasal lang din ako with my parents. I also prayed for my friends. Nag-ilaw ako ng kandila for them. Some people also go to St. Jude para magdasal kasi siya yung patron saint of the impossible. Ako, nag-mass din ako the night before the board exam. Just some things that you can do to calm yourself and to help you remember na it's gonna be okay whatever happens. Hindi ka naman niya papabayaan. Iba rin talaga yung comfort na nadadala ng prayer. I know it's not for everyone, pero lagi kasi nilang sinasabi na mas lalakas talaga yung kapit mo kay Lord kapag board exam na. And meron din mga kwento na parang hindi sila gaanong naniniwala before. Tapos na board exam, tapos nagdasal sila just to try it, tapos pumasa sila. Sobrang dun talaga nila na-feel yung presence ni God. So yeah, dasal lang talaga. You could also try meditation. This is also something that I did and I'm never gonna shut up about it because it really did help me. Not just in the board exam, but also in my life, in my personal life, ganon. It really helped me believe in myself more and to calm myself and to remind myself na kaya ko to, ganyan. I'll link down below the 10-minute guided meditation that I did every single day before the board exam. I highly recommend it. It's about asking what if questions that only lead to positive answers. So, lagi kong sinasabi, what if pumasa ako ng board exam? What if next week architect na ako? What if ang ganda ng suot ko sa oath-taking? Ganon. So, yeah, highly recommend meditation. And next is to have a mantra ready. May mga times talaga sa board exam na bigla kang kakabahan, bigla kang magpapanik, ganon, kapag hindi mo alam yung sagot. Bakit wala sa choices yung sagot? So, kailangan mayroon ka ng mantra na ready just to calm yourself down. Ako, meron akong 3 mantras na sinabi sa sarili ko nun. The first one is, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. The second one is, God, Holy Spirit, enlighten me, by your grace, strengthen me. The last one is, I will not fear, for you are ever with me, and you will not leave me to face my perils alone. O, diba? Ayun, kailangan nyo lang talaga ng pampakalma, ganon. So, pwedeng pampakalma nyo is, hindi, kaya ko to. Okay na yun. Search na kayo ng quotable quotes, ganyan. Next, here are the tips that you can do during the board exam itself. First tip, be early. Okay, given na to, ang hirap na maging late kapag board exam, guys. Maging maaga talaga kayo. Para rin you can get comfortable in your room, sa table mo, lalagay mo pa yung mga gamit mo, whatever, ganun. Next is to wear a watch. Yan, mag-watch kayo, guys. Kailangan nyo ng watch. Para rin alam mo kung ilang oras pa yung meron ka for that specific subject. Ang hirap kasi na hindi mo alam yung oras, and hindi lahat ng classroom may clock. Sa room namin wala. So, may isa akong kasama sa room na wala siyang watch, and yung ginagawa niya is nag-raise siya ng hand from time to time to ask the proctor kung anong oras na. Okay din naman yun. Good strategy. Pero para rin hindi ka na maabala, just wear your own watch. Manghiram ka ng watch kung wala kang watch. Next tip is to listen to your proctor, guys. Makinig kayo sa instructions niya. Napaka-importante niyan. Mahirap yung may ma-miss kang instruction. And just raise your hand or ask questions if may hindi kayo naintindihan, ganon. Sa amin, mabait yung proctor sa room. So, magdasal nyo din na mabait yung proctor nyo. Next is bags and phones will be in front. Only the clear envelope will be left in your seat. So, yun. Yung main bag nyo is lalagay nyo sa harap, and then yung phone is bibigay nyo dun sa proctor. Ito turn off, ganon. Bale, itong clear envelope lang yung matitira sa inyo. Tapos, dito nyo ilalagay lahat ng gamit na kailangan nyo for the board. So, like yung mga Rule 7 and 8 mo, calculator, pagkain, pencil, ganyan-ganyan. Next is to don't answer on your answer sheet immediately. Answer on your questionnaire first. Iba kasi yung questionnaire, iba yung answer sheet. So, yung gawin nyo yung answer sheet, tago nyo muna dun sa envelope kapag nag-start. And then, dun muna kayo sa questionnaire sumagot. Like, gawin nyo talaga siyang scratch paper, circle nyo lahat, i-underline, bugbugin nyo yung questionnaire nyo bago kayo sumagot sa answer sheet. Para din, sure kayo sa mga sagot nyo na talaga. With that as well is to go over the questions at least 3 times before finalizing your answers. And go over the questionnaire talaga paulit-ulit hanggang sa sure ka na sa mga sagot mo. Well, mahirap din naman maging sure na sure from time to time. Pero, yan, just really try your hardest na i-dissect every single question. For the design subject, I suggest to categorize the questions per design problem. Yung sa design kasi, parang for questions number 1 to 5, refer to problem number 2. As in, random siya, na tapos paiba-iba ng problem. So, ginawa ko is kinategorize ko siya sa scratch paper ko na, okay, problem number 2, numbers 1 to 5, numbers 21 to 25, ganon. Para rin, di ka papalit-palit ng problem na sinosolve kasi mas nakakahilo yun. Focus on one design problem at a time. And then, save also the questions with computations last. Kasi, for me, dun ako kinakabahan kasi kapag may computations bigla kasi medyo matagal yun sagutan. Tapos, kapag pinompute mo, bakit wala yung sagot ko doon sa choices, ganon. So, ihuli nyo siya. Unahin nyo yung mga stock knowledge type of questions, ganon. Then, answer on the answer sheet 1 to 2 hours before the time ends kasi maraming questions din yon, 100 to 200 questions. So, i-allot nyo yung time nyo carefully. And lastly, be careful with your answer sheet. As much as possible, no erasures, ganon. Kasi baka hindi mabasa ng machine kapag may erasure. Although sabi na pwede naman, pero ako, nagkamali kasi ako ng isang shade kasi naduling na ako kung anong number na yung sinishadan ko. So, ayun, mali tuloy ako. Tapos, di ko na siya in-erase kasi natakot ako. So, yun, be careful talaga when you're answering on your answer sheet. And just a few tips for after the board exam. First is don't discuss the questions with your friends and don't look up the answers. Ginawa ko siya, And, syempre, yun, mas kinabahan tuloy ako lalo kasi, oh my God, mali ako. Oh my God, iba yung sagot niya, bakit ganon? So, wag nyo na lang pag-usapan as in, nakakadagdag lang siya ng stress kesa na maliwanagan ka. Then, my last tip is to just let go and celebrate. Dapat meron na kayong naka-ready na reward kapag tapos nyo ng board exam. Mas maganda nga magplano na kayo ng bakasyon eh, because that's what I did. And sobrang nag-look forward talaga ako after the board exam. It's nice to have something to look forward to where I could just like relax and let go and not think about the results just yet. Isipin niya sa kayo magbabakasyon after the board exam. Isipin niya na yung anong kakainin yung dinner after the boards, gano'n. Yun yung mga magpapamotivate talaga sa'yo. But guys, that is it for this video. To everyone who is gonna take the board exam soon, good luck. Alam kong kayang-kaya nyo na yan. Just, you know, learn to trust yourself. Ready nyo na yung mga mantras nyo. Wear your lucky charms, ganon-ganon. And just remember that everything will always work out at the end. If it doesn't work out, then it's not yet the end. But that is it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you're updated whenever I post a new video. Comment down below what video you want to see next and I hope to see you next time. Bye!